What's going on YouTube? It's that damn Ford boy J Ford, and I am back with another video. So today what we're going to be doing is doing a quick review over the Alpharex headlights. I just had them installed about a little over a week ago. And man, they look great, man. They look great. I'm loving the way they look so far. But man, let's just get right to it. So these are the Alpharex Pro Series. I got them in black. I think they come with a jet black. Number one thing I love about these headlights is the price. The price that I got them at was around $430, then plus tax. Yeah, so they also have another set of headlights that come with two bulbs instead of one that you see like right here, which is the Nova series, the one that comes with two. So you have one right here, then one right here, and one right here. And those, I think those run for around $1,200. Like I said, I paid for $430 for mine, and I love it, man. It's can't beat that price. I think for more models you're paying about $1,500 or more. I installed the Hikari LED bulbs. The LED strip that's around the headlights, that's basically serve as your daytime running lights. These are the sequential headlights, so whenever you put your turning signal on, yeah, the outside LED strip right here, they do turn amber. And so that's another great thing I do love about them. Just gonna flick the button to unlock the car so you'll be able to see. You might not really be able to tell right now because it's so bright out here today. For $430, I feel like you can't beat that price. I believe in all with the Hikari LED bulbs and the headlights, I probably paid around no more than $550. I mean, I think that's a great price. Give your truck that aggressive look, and it looks so much better than stock. I'm gonna try and cut it on and see show you what it looked like a little bit real quick. Yeah, so you can see it right there. See it right there. You can see it now. So see how the lights is right now. They look pretty good. Even right now, just as you can see, like the LED strip is on right now. Come and get a closer look. Let me turn it on real quick. Yes, there you go right there. This look right here is with the low beams on, but you can see it a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little closer look. You can see the LED bulb is on. I am loving these lights. They're very bright at night, and I'm gonna give y'all a nighttime comparison as well, so you'll be able to see what they look like at night. So here in this clip here is when you first cut your car on, or when you hit the unlock button. Pretty much the LED strip flashes amber, and then it goes to that bright white look. And here in this next clip is when you turn your emergency signal lights on, and it just shows both lights are flashing amber. In this next clip is just pretty much just the low beams are on, and then of course you have the LED strip. It's bright white, it stays white. On these next two clips, it's just pretty much showing these signal lights. When you turn the signal lights on, it just flashes amber. And here's a clip with the high beams on. Get a closer look on each side. And now this is a clip with the daytime running lights. The LED strip just stays bright pretty much the whole time. Here, this last clip is what I want to show you all, just my point of view when I'm driving. Just pretty much with the low beams on, and then I'll flash the high beams at some point. But yeah, you can tell I need to adjust it a little bit, just my bulbs, but I'm not really too much worried about that right now. I think it's look fine, but I mean, it could definitely be fixed a little bit better. But appreciate you all for coming through and watching the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll leave a link in the description as well. So see y'all on the next video. Peace.